Does insurance drop when you turn 25? Let me go into a bit of detail on these two as they have important consequences for you, the car insurance buyer. The mighty internet says you should always retain the right to sue because without it it's easier for your insurer to victimize you. Basically, if you don't have the right to sue and you and the outfit you got your auto insurance from disagree about something, you have to go to arbitration. If you don't give up the right to sue, you can of course get a lawyer and sue. If you lose and lawyers are involved, you lose more. So insurers have extra incentives to follow the contract the two of you signed to settle. What did my insurance agent friend say about retaining the right to sue? It's true, but it doesn't really work that way. People get favorable results from arbitration. I never disputed that arbitration cannot yield good results. Just that retaining the right to sue does it faster more often. In case your car is damaged and you have the right insurance, the insurance company pays for repairs including parts. Car parts can be made by the company that made the car or some other company. If they're made by some other company, they're called aftermarket parts. It seems that originally aftermarket parts were not as extensively tested. AMD were inferior in condition. Now some are as good as or better than the parts made by car makers. But people still perceive them as being inferior. So if your car has aftermarket parts, its value would be lower. You'd have to sell it for less. I brought up aftermarket parts with one of my insurance agent friends. He told me it's not true. He said most insurance companies use aftermarket parts for cars older than 2 years. That proves my point though. There are auto insurers out there that do not use aftermarket parts.